Huh? What's up, Facebook? Hold on one sec. We're out here in Cranford ripping a roof. I gotta be quick because I gotta get out of here, but ripping a roof right now. As you can see, it's early. This roof's pretty much ripped. Then we got a small roof in the back that we gotta rip, flash, and do everything on. But you're looking at about 2,500 square feet. It's gonna get done in one day. And I'll show you real quick some of the materials before I go run to an appointment real quick. But let me show you the materials and what we're looking at, a complete roof system. So as you can see right now, this is what's coming off the roof. The felt paper, right? Very brittle. It's dried out. It's not really protecting anything. And then this is these shingles. So these are also just flimsy, cracking. The shingles are shot. So these are old 3 tabs. If you have this up on your roof, got the 3 tabs, you should definitely have it looked at if it's anything over 7 years old. They're not made to last you a long period of time. But we're looking at right here the metal drip edge that we're going to put around the perimeter of the roof, right? So that's going to be protecting the edges of the roof. I'm just showing you the synthetic underlayment. It's going to protect the entire roof decking. And this is instead of the black paper. So this stuff right here, it's almost like you do house wrap, like a Tyvek wrap around your house for the siding. That's what we're gonna do for the roof. And here's brownstone. This color is going to look awesome. So I can't wait to get back here in a little bit and show you guys what it looks like, a finished product up on the roof. We got some ice and water. It's gonna be going up the nails. Everything's there. And then let me show you guys real quick how we're looking in the back. So this is a decent sized roof, a little bit bigger than your average home out here. And here's what you're looking at. So the back's getting ripped now, and then we got to do this lower section, but we're gonna have it all done today. And have them all set by the end of the week, because it looks like Thursday, I think Thursday is going to be more rain. So heading into the new year, their home's going to be protected. They're going to sleep well at night. They're not going to have anything to worry about. And then good thing for us is we're able to close out a few more jobs before the end of the year and hit the ground running heading into 2021. So that's pretty much it for now. I'll check back in with you guys. But just want to show you what we got going on out here. And I heard something this morning. I was listening to a podcast, and one of the guys said, let yourself be happy. Today's a great day to let yourself be happy. And on that note, I'm going to check out. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.